Goyle's Montessori and School. Dear students, Giles Montessori and School has developed this program of difficult words with their meanings for English language book for Grade 9, 2025 syllabus from National Book Foundation for Federal Board. This will help you to prepare for your reading and comprehension question in board exam. We hope you would like it. Let's start. Unit 4. Difficult words and meanings. Suspension, motley, hanging or supporting from above. Boroughs, शहर के अजला, divisions of a city. Spanning, फैलना, extending over a space. Iconic, मशहूर, very famous or well known. Prima facie, बज़ाहिर, at first appearance. Creative, तख्लीकी, full of new ideas. Spectacular, शानदार, very impressive or grand. Experts, Mahreen, skilled or knowledgeable people. Impossible, namukkin, not able to be done. Persuasion, qail karna, convincing someone. Discussion, bath, talking about a topic. Tragic, afsusnak, very sad or unfortunate. Accident, haditha, unexpected harmful event. Shattered, toad phod jana. Completely broken, incapacitated. Madur, unable to function properly. Infection, disease caused by germs. Paralyzing, mafluj karna, making unable to move. Decompression, dabav kam karna, releasing pressure. Plagued, pareshan karna, troubled or affected by. Relatively, nisbatan, compared to something else. Condition, halat, a state or situation. Physician, mileage. A doctor. Critics, naqdeen, people who judge harshly. Scrapped, tark karna, cancelled or abandoned. Handicap, mazuri, physical or mental disability. Discouraged, hausala shakni, losing motivation. Flimsy, kamzoor, weak or fragile. Curtains, parde, cloth coverings for windows. Daunted, ghabra jana, scared or discouraged. Determined, prazam, strong-willed. Specifications. Wadahti, detailed instructions or measurements. Intricacies, pichidgiyan, complicated details. Tapping, halke se marna, lightly touching. Instructions, hadayat, directions or commands. Spectacular, zabardast, amazing or impressive. Glory, shan was shocked, honor or fame. Tribute, kharaj tahseen, respect or appreciation. Triumph, fakh, great victory. Indomitable, nagabal shakist, impossible to defeat. Circumstances, halat, situation or conditions. Devotion, aqidat, deep love or dedication. Unquestioned, besawal, without any doubt. Loyalty, wafadari, faithfulness or commitment. Manageable, काबू पाने के काबिल, easy to control. Exchange, tabadla, giving and receiving. Inscribed, kanda, written or carved. Indicating, zahir karna, showing or pointing out. Tremendous, shandar, very great in amount. Adverse, manfi, negative or harmful. Persistence, thabit qadami, continuing without giving up. Odds, mushkilat, difficulties or challenges. Faith, Iman, strong belief. Considered, samajha jana, thought of as. Paralyzing, mafluj karna, making unable to move. Inspiration, tahrik, something that motivates. Accomplish, hasil karna, to achieve something. Obstacle, rukout, something that blocks progress. Heedless, lapravah, not paying attention. Enthusiasm, josh wa khurush, excitement or passion. Complications, peechidgiyan, difficulties or problems. Innovative, jadid, new and creative. Admirable. Qabil tarif, worthy of praise. Resilience, lachuk, ability to recover. Dedication, lagin, hard work and commitment.